Hey guys, it's me, Tired Mama, and I'm coming to you today with some very, very exciting information. I've kind of dropped hints and clues along the way that I've been working on something really big, and it's time to start telling you guys about it. So 9 months ago, I started on a journey, really before I was doing YouTube as much as I am now. And I started taking classes on how to repair my credit, and then how to counsel other people on how to repair their credit. That's where you come in. And so I completed those courses, and I learned so much valuable information that is not always readily available to consumers. And I want to share that with you. I hope that you'll come along with me on this path. We're going to have videos. There are some things that you can do some research on. We have a Facebook group, and I hope that you'll join us. So let's talk about repairing our credit. A lot of times what damages people is they have an old debt. That debt is sold, and then it's sold again, and then it's sold again, and then it's sold again. And you have 5 people collecting for one debt. Let's say you go back and pay that debt, or you negotiate the original debt. Well, now you still have 4 people who bought that debt for pennies on the dollar, and now they want money from you. What do? How do you get it off of your credit report? It's actually very easy. I've got my notes here. All right. Debt can be sold multiple times, pennies on the dollar. Don't forget that. The Fair Credit Reporting Act, 609, says that you as a consumer have the right to have a debt validated. That's not verified. Credit reporting agencies often let you request verification on a debt. Simply, that means that they call the reporting agency, and that reporting agency then says, yes, they have an account with us. It's different. The only people that you truly owe that money to are the people who have your signature. So you signed a bill at the hospital for your child being ill. That bill's been sold 4 or 5 times. It's now with ABC Crediting. You had to go back to that hospital, and you've paid that debt. You negotiated that debt, you paid it. How do you get the rest of it off of your credit report? It's actually very easy. You have to send out letters. And now realize this takes a little bit of work. Okay, guys, it takes some work on your part. You're going to write some letters. You're going to go to the post office. Not hard. Now, the difference between validation and verification. Verification, they make a phone call. Validation, they have to have the original document that you signed. So if you signed a document at the hospital, they have to have that document in order for you to be validated in that debt. So basically, you send them these letters, and if they do not remove the debt, you can report them to the credit bureau. Okay? That's pretty easy, right? It does take some time, and these people obviously aren't just going to do it easily because they still want money from you. So it takes a little bit of work. It takes some negotiation and some finesse. You also have to send these letters, and they really need to be worded in a certain way. So this is what I'm doing. This is the beginning offer for what we're going to be offering at tiredmamacourses.com. We have a Facebook group called Not Your Mom's Credit Repair. Okay? Link is below. Come and join us, and I will answer as many questions as I can. Realize that, number one, I am not an attorney. Okay, I am someone who figured this out for myself, and in 3 months, I managed to raise my credit score 176 points. All from incorrect information from debts that were bought and sold against me that were then paid. Okay, 176 points is huge. But I've actually found out that the methods that I've been doing can be applied to any debt, almost. But we'll talk about all of that later on. For today, if you have things on your credit report you're not sure about, you don't know where to begin this process, come and join us in the Facebook group. You're going to get access to our website course, tiredmamacourses.com, DIY credit repair, and you'll get those first couple of letters absolutely free to help you get started in this journey. And we're going to slowly work off how to take care of incorrectly posted student loans. Debts for medical bills that aren't correct. We can handle all of it. We can help you walk through it. And if essentially you don't want to handle it, you want to hire us to handle it, we can do that too. But I think it's much more satisfying if you do it yourself. Okay? Not your mom's credit on Facebook. And I hope that I get to see you soon. I am personally the one that runs the group. We answer as many questions as I can, and I'm basically in there all day long. So I hope to see you soon. Bye.